Welcome back to Auto Specs, your go-to channel for in-depth military vehicle reviews and advanced defense technology insights. Today, we take a closer look at a legendary Cold War-era tank, the Leopard 1. Developed by West Germany, this tank redefined armored warfare with its speed, firepower, and versatility. Let's explore why the Leopard 1 remains a significant piece of military history. Introduction to the Leopard 1. The Leopard 1 was Germany's first main battle tank, MBT, after World War II, developed in response to the growing tensions of the Cold War. Unlike Soviet tanks, which prioritized heavy armor, the Leopard 1 focused on mobility, firepower, and battlefield agility. First introduced in 1965, it became one of the most widely used tanks in NATO, serving in over a dozen countries and seeing combat in multiple conflicts. Tank technology and engineering at the heart of the Leopard 1 was its MTU MB838 CAM 500 V10 diesel engine, delivering 830 horsepower. This allowed the tank to reach an impressive top speed of 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest tanks of its time. Unlike heavily armored Soviet tanks like the T-62, the Leopard 1 was designed to strike first and relocate quickly, using its superior mobility to avoid direct engagements. The tank was armed with the British-designed 105mm L7 rifled gun, which was one of the most effective tank guns of the era. This weapon was known for its long-range accuracy and high armor penetration, making the Leopard 1 a formidable opponent on the battlefield. Over time, upgrades added modern fire control systems, improved optics, and better ammunition to maintain its combat effectiveness. Advantages and combat performance. One of the key advantages of the Leopard 1 was its battlefield agility. With a powerful engine and lightweight design, it could traverse rough terrain with ease, allowing for rapid deployment and repositioning. This made it ideal for hit-and-run tactics, ambushes, and supporting mechanized infantry. While its armor was relatively thin compared to contemporary tanks, this was a deliberate design choice. The Leopard 1 relied on speed, firepower, and strategic positioning rather than brute force. Later variants, such as the Leopard 1A5, received additional armor plating, improved night vision, and upgraded targeting systems, making them more competitive against modern threats. Design and tactical aspects. The Leopard 1 had a sleek and low-profile design, making it harder to detect and target. Its welded steel armor provided basic protection, but it was not built to withstand direct hits from advanced anti-tank weapons. Instead, its firepower and mobility were its greatest assets. Over time, several upgraded versions were developed, with enhancements in thermal imaging, stabilization, and electronic warfare systems. The final version, the Leopard 1A5, featured modern digital fire control systems, allowing for better target acquisition and engagement in all-weather conditions. War trophy and combat history. Although originally designed as a Cold War deterrent, the Leopard 1 saw combat in multiple conflicts, including the Bosnian War, 1990s, used by NATO forces for peacekeeping and urban warfare. The 1999 Kosovo conflict played a role in armored operations alongside Allied forces. South American conflicts. Some Leopard 1s operated by countries like Brazil and Chile have been involved in border disputes and military exercises. Some Leopard 1 tanks ended up as war trophies, either captured or displayed in military museums worldwide. Despite being retired from frontline service in many countries, some upgraded Leopard 1s continue to serve in secondary roles or as training vehicles. Price and cost analysis. When it was first introduced in the 1960s, the Leopard 1 had a unit price of around $250,000 to $400,000. Over time, upgraded versions increased in cost due to enhanced electronics and weaponry. Today, surplus Leopard 1 tanks can still be found on the market, often sold to private collectors, museums, or smaller nations looking for an affordable MBT option. Final verdict. The Leopard 1 was a game-changing tank for its time, offering unmatched speed, precision, and adaptability on the battlefield. While it may no longer be in frontline service, its legacy lives on through its successors, such as the Leopard 2. This tank proved that mobility and firepower could be just as effective as thick armor, shaping the future of modern tank design. That wraps up our deep dive into the Leopard 1, one of the most influential tanks of the Cold War era. What are your thoughts on this legendary machine? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Specs for more in-depth military vehicle reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content.